We're going to play a game where you have to remember what I show you, and I will ask you questions. Here you can see how much Zanzibar likes watching the tractors go by. Let's watch with him. That was fun. Now, can you remember what colours the 3 tractors were? They were among these colours.
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple.
Now think about the colours. Is one of them red? Let's take a look.
Red.
Yes! One of the tractors was red. What about the next one?
Green.
That's right! There was a green tractor. One more to go. Can you remember the colour? I think you can. It was yellow, wasn't it?
Yellow.
Bravo! Well done! Heckerty starts to talk to someone about taking part in the tractor driving competition. Excuse me, I asked a big strong man with a checked shirt and leather waistcoat. I'd like to have a go. He is a big strong man, isn't he? Can you remember what his shirt was like? Try to remember what Heckerty said when she met the man. His shirt was either plain or has spots on it. It's checked or it's striped. Can you picture how he looked? Yes, that's right. Heckerty said he was a big, strong man with a checked shirt. Did you get it right? Terrific! Heckerty needs to magic a tractor to use in the competition. Here we see her adding ingredients to the spell. Watch very carefully. Horse's tail and eagle's eye. Then we need a metal grate to plough a furrow. Make it straight. A comfy seat and a builder's pick. Add 4 wheels to an old broomstick. Now, can you think of which ingredient begins with the letter E? I'll give you a moment to try to remember. Here are the objects again. See if you can spot the one that begins with E. Yes, that's right. It was eagle's eye. Well done. Here are Heckerty and Zanzibar on their new tractor. As we watch them drive by, I will say a letter, and you have to point to the right object. For example, if I said Z, you would point to Zanzibar. Here we go. H. Yes, it's Heckerty. W. That's right. It's the wheels. P. It's the pickaxe. S. That was a harder one. I was thinking about the steam engine. How did you get on? Did you find them all? Fantastic! Coming next week on the Heckerty channel. Love from Heckerty.